Hello friends, I am Vinayak. Today I am going to make street style ragra chaat which you can easily prepare at home, which is really finger licking and very flavorful. First of all, we will prepare the matar masala. For that, in a preheated kadai, I have added a tablespoon of oil. After the oil gets heated, I am adding a teaspoon of cumin, one dry red chili and one bay leaf into it. Then I am adding 2 finely chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 medium sized finely chopped onions. I will mix it and fry it for 2 minutes. Then I will add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and mix it. Fry it till it becomes a bit mushy. Then I am adding a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chana masala, salt to taste and a teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. Now I am mixing everything properly and I am cooking it at low flame. I am now adding the potatoes into it, which I have slightly boiled and diced. I am mixing it properly with all the spices. After a few minutes, I am adding boiled white fish, about 200 gram, into it. I will let it cook in low flame for 5 minutes so that the flavors gets absorbed into it. We can add water if required. Now we will keep it at medium flame and cook it till it starts boiling. It is almost ready and now I will add a teaspoon of garam masala into it and mix it properly. Now I will add some fresh chopped coriander leaves into it and mix it. My matar masala is now ready and now I will put into the plate and proceed to the next step. I am putting 2 to 3 teaspoons of tomato coriander chutney and uniformly spreading it. I have provided the link into the description box. Then I am putting 2 to 3 teaspoons of tamarind chutney and spreading it. Then I am adding 1 chopped green chili, half finely chopped cucumber, 1 finely chopped tomato, 1 finely chopped onion into it. Now I am adding some crushed chips into it. This is totally optional, but adding it will enhance the taste. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into it. Now I am putting 5 to 6 tablespoons of curd into it. I am sprinkling 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and salt to taste into it. Spreading some fresh finely chopped coriander into the chaat. At the last step, I will now spread some save into the chaat. Now my street style ragra chaat is ready and it is really looking tempting and appealing. I have garnished it with some chips and lemon. Try out this recipe at your home and you will not miss outside chaat. Trust me, it is more tastier and healthier than street style chaat.